China has just unveiled a humanoid robot that doesn't just walk, it works. Meet the Unitree G1, a next-gen AI-powered machine that's capable of performing real tasks like folding clothes, washing dishes, and cleaning floors with impressive precision. This isn't a concept or lab test. It's a functioning $16,000 humanoid robot built for real-world environments. And it's turning heads around the globe. With flexible joints, powerful motors, and a build that mirrors human movement. The G1 isn't just mimicking life, it's engineered to assist in it. It can respond to commands, interact physically with objects, and adapt to unpredictable environments. And that's not all. From firefighting robot dogs to Lenovo's human-like AI robots practicing Tai Chi, China's robotics industry is showing the world that the age of useful humanoids is here, and accelerating fast. In this video, we're diving into the G1's jaw-dropping capabilities, how it stacks up against other robots, and why this moment could change everything about the future of work, robotics, and daily life. Let's get into it. The spotlight is on Unitree's latest innovation, the G1 humanoid robot, and it's anything but theoretical. Priced around $16,000, this machine isn't designed to entertain. It's built to execute physical tasks with astonishing realism. G1 can clean a table, fold clothes, and handle dishwashing, moving with flexibility and control that mirrors a trained human worker. It uses advanced reinforcement learning to navigate its environment, adapting based on trial and error, rather than relying solely on preset instructions. That means it improves with time, analyzing its surroundings and refining its behavior through repeated exposure, similar to how people learn from experience. Its structure includes 12 powerful joints in each arm, allowing a wide range of motion and dexterity. Combined with its lightweight frame, G1 moves fluidly, lifting and manipulating objects with speed and stability. Unitree has previously made headlines with robotic dogs, but the G1 humanoid takes functionality to the next level. It's not simply mimicking motion, it's completing domestic tasks independently and with purpose. This leap in capability isn't just technological, it's practical. With this launch, China signals a clear shift toward real-world service robotics, where machines aren't just responding, they're performing. Beyond Unitree's groundbreaking G1, China's robotics innovation is expanding into high-stakes and high-skill territories. At the same event, another headline-grabbing machine made its debut, the B2 firefighting quadruped, a robust robot designed for emergency scenarios. Outfitted with heat resistance and capable of carrying heavy equipment, it tackles dangerous environments no human could safely enter. Unlike typical robot dogs used for mobility research, the B2 is a mission-ready responder. It can navigate debris-filled spaces, approach hazardous areas, and support disaster response teams by providing both reconnaissance and physical aid in the field. Its creators have emphasized utility over flair, and that's what makes it remarkable. Meanwhile, China is also integrating robotics into cultural and social environments, with AI-powered humanoids performing tasks you typically associate with people. Take Liang No. 1, Lenovo's advanced AI robot. This humanoid can execute a full Tai Chi routine with graceful control and balance. But it's not just about movement. It can also answer complex questions in real time, demonstrating language comprehension and voice interaction. Such developments reveal a strategic push toward making AI robotics both functional and interactive. China is clearly aiming beyond mechanical proficiency. It's building robots that engage, not just operate. From precision in fire emergencies to public demonstrations of intelligence and grace. The evolution is clear. China's robotic landscape is no longer theoretical or confined to labs. These machines are being trained, deployed, and showcased for everyday and professional use, with capabilities that rival or even exceed human performance in specific domains. And this is just a glimpse of the ecosystem China is rapidly constructing. In a showcase of cutting-edge engineering, China revealed a remarkably human-like walking robot named Atom. Unlike traditional machines programmed with rigid commands, Atom learns through deep reinforcement methods. This allows the robot to adapt organically to terrain, balance, and posture, acquiring movement proficiency in a manner that resembles how living organisms evolve and adjust. Atom's learning capability enables it to correct itself in real time. As it moves, it gathers environmental data, fine-tunes its responses, and gradually refines its stride and balance. The outcome isn't stiff motion, but fluid, human-like locomotion, achieved not by predefined sequences, but by continuous adjustment and learning loops. Beyond mobility, China is extending the capabilities of humanoids into the public arena. One example is the upcoming World Humanoid Robot Sports Games, which represents a significant step forward, not just in engineering, but in cultural integration of intelligent machines. These events aren't just spectacles. They serve as experimental grounds where humanoids are evaluated for reflexes, agility, cooperation, and strategic decision-making, all in a competitive format that mirrors human athletics. This competition also symbolizes a broader shift. Robots are no longer being developed just for isolated tasks or manufacturing lines. They're now training for dynamic interactive roles, whether in rescue, sports, or live demonstrations. Their evolution is being tested under real-world physical and cognitive stress, pushing boundaries beyond laboratory simulations. The scale of this ambition is further underlined by the upcoming World Robot Conference, an event expected to display innovations across sectors. From industrial automation to personal companions, China's roadmap for intelligent machines is rapidly unfolding. In these arenas, Chinese developers aren't simply building smarter hardware. They're building systems that think, act, and improve themselves. The end goal isn't automation alone, it's integration. These robots are not isolated tools. They're being shaped to function seamlessly alongside humans, whether in disaster response, domestic environments, or public performances. This emerging generation of intelligent, responsive, and socially aware robotics isn't science fiction anymore. It's now part of a rapidly growing reality, and it's evolving faster than the rest of the world expected. What we've just seen isn't a glimpse of what's coming. It's proof that the future has already arrived. From Unitree's G1, a humanoid robot folding clothes and cleaning dishes, to AI-driven firefighting dogs and Tai Chi performing androids, China has made one thing clear. This is not research, it's rollout. These machines aren't stuck in labs or locked behind prototypes. They're walking in exhibitions, responding to voice commands, showcasing movement precision, and even learning through advanced AI training models. Robots like Atom, which refine their motion through reinforcement learning, represent an entirely new kind of intelligence, one that evolves through experience, not static code. The real shock isn't just what these machines can do, it's how fast they're improving. With robot sports events, national expos, and active investment into humanoid integration, China is normalizing robotics not just as assistants, but as cohabitants of our future environments. While the rest of the world debates feasibility, China is demonstrating results. Whether it's cleaning a kitchen, answering questions, or competing in humanoid tournaments, these robots are designed for action, and they're already delivering. If this is what's possible today, the next few years could redefine the relationship between humans and machines completely. So the question now is, are we watching a tech showcase or the beginning of a new era?